Welcome back to Lamas Farm. For today's video, we're gonna show you how we apply JADAM liquid fertilizer on our garden. Morning, guys.
If I stumble from grace, if I give in to hate, show up ragged and gray, $1 short and a day late. If I slip through the cracks, monkey claw in my back, falling off of the map into obscurity, duped and faded to black. Give my things to my brothers, give my praise to my mother. Tell my lover I love her.
So this is the JADAM fertilizer we made 2 weeks ago, but you can already use this in a week. The longer it takes, the more water you need to dilute this. This is the kind of natural fertilizer that is totally zero cost because all you need is plant like weeds and other green plants and water, not labor intensive also. So this is how we apply this JADAM liquid fertilizer. If it is morning, guys, since the fertilizer is quite strong, we cannot spray it on the leaves directly because there is a tendency that the plant will be burned. So what we do is we apply it on the soil directly. Then later in the afternoon, we will spray it on the leaves because this is also an insect repellent. If you watch this vlog, guys, we stated here the benefits of Madre de Cacao, and this is what we use to make this JADAM liquid fertilizer. This has been proven and tested in Korea, Japan, and other countries, but you need patience and system for this to be successful.